Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint water for pani puri. Start by washing a generous handful of fresh mint leaves, removing thick stems and bruised parts. Add mint, a small piece of peeled ginger, green chili if you like heat, and a pinch of roasted cumin to a blender with cold water. Blend to a smooth green concentrate, then strain, adjust salt and lemon, and chill before serving for best flavor. For tender, balanced mint water, taste as you go and aim for a lively mix of tang, salt, and heat. Start with a little lemon or tamarind paste, then add roasted cumin powder and a pinch of black salt for that classic pani puri note. If the mint tastes too sharp, a small spoon of jaggery or sugar will mellow it without making it sweet. Chill well and serve cold for maximum refreshment. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings tunes, timers, and hands-free help right into your kitchen, and it pairs wonderfully with lively cooking sessions or hosting pani puri nights. It's a small addition that adds convenience and personality to your space. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Make a concentrated mint blend and keep a portion in the fridge to stretch servings while preserving fresh taste. Store mint water in a sealed jar or bottle for up to 3 days, and always give it a quick taste before serving to adjust lemon or salt. Serve chilled over ice in small bowls or pour into pani puri immediately before assembling to keep the puris crisp and your guests delighted with bright, cool flavors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.